Hello, dear follower of geometric designs. You are welcome to this new edition of our Archicad tutorial. First and foremost, we must appreciate your following every of our video because geometric design is committed to helping you solve some architecture related issues like tutorials in Archicad and AutoCAD, and also in Atlantis and in your renderings. So we are committed in helping you solve some of your architectural problems. The topic of today's tutorial is Archicad custom openings. Custom openings like window openings, like beams or arc openings in buildings. That is the topic of today's program. Now, in this tutorial, I will show you 3 ways or methods to create your own custom openings. First, let's go to our drawing board. As you can see, we are in our drawing board and we have 3 building plans there. 2 building plans are similar. Let's look at our 3D view. As you can see in our 3D view here, we have this story building with its custom openings. This custom opening, like in Archicad library, you can find a custom opening like this in Archicad library. But it doesn't mean that you can't create something like this. We can create it. Like I said earlier, we have 3 methods to create opening in your Archicad drawings. First, let's look at these 2 buildings here. These 2 identical buildings, we are going to create our custom openings on them using different methods. The first method we are going to look at in this tutorial is the method of SEO. SEO. Look at it here on the drawing. Okay, SEO is solid element operation. Solid element operation. Now, before we go into the use of this method of creating an opening, custom opening, the first thing we do is we are going to create a layer. Now, you move up to this layer setting model. You click on it and it opens. The moment it opens, click on new. Now, in your new, just give a name to the layer you want to create. Where I want to give my layer name as Gene. G-I-N. Gene. I'll just click OK. Now, the moment you click OK, the next thing you do is click on this eye here, this icon here, click on it to close. It means close. As you can see here, it simply means show. If you want to show the layer, you have to click, you have to leave this one. But once you want to hide the layer, you click it to leave this one. As you can see, it is in this one, meaning that we've hidden the layer. So once that is done, you click OK. Now that you've clicked OK, the next thing you do is move to your floor plan. Now in this your floor plan, get a section line. Draw a section line on the face of the wall you want to create the opening. You can see. Now move this section line a bit back. Beautiful. Now let's look at this section view of this particular building. Look at it. This is what you have. Now get a line or construction. You can use a line or construction line. Design any kind of opening you want. Now I want to create my own choice, my own custom opening. I want my custom opening to look like this. Just follow the opening I'm going to create now. Using my polyline. Now click at this spot. Then highlight the line and offset it 750. Then offset it 750 this way. Then also offset this one down to this level 450 and stop there. Then get another line to design my own custom opening. Then highlight the line, offset it 250. Stop, cut this off. Then from this spot, go back to my polyline and change it to continuous line. Right, 250. And move up 250 again. Stop. I'll repeat the same thing here. 250. Move up 250. And then join it to this end. Then I'll highlight the line and convert this straight edge to curved edge. Convert it to curved edge, and it will look like this. The moment you look like that, cut this place off, cut this place off, delete these 2 lines. At this spot, delete this as well. Now you can see the opening I want. You are looking at it from the section view. This is the opening I want. Now that I have it this form, I will move straight to my morph. Now at my morph, I'll click on this spot and fill it with morph. Then I'll drag this section and enlarge and turn it and convert it into arc. Now that is done, I'll exit this section view and go back to my 3D view. In the 3D view, look at what I have here. Look at what I have. Then highlight them off and extrude it into a 2. Let's say 450. The moment it's extruded into a 2, change the material of this morph to be the same material of this wall. You click on it here, highlight this, check it on, then move and look for the material wood. I used a stucco bed rough to design the wall, so I'm going to change it to be the same with that of the morph. Then click OK. You can see both are sharing the same material. Go back to your floor plan. Then drag this morph into the wall face. You see what I've just done? Beautiful. Then go back to your 3D view. Now in your 3D view, click on arrow. Then click on this for solid element operation. If you don't have this command bar on your screen, just simply go to design and move down to solid element operation. Click on it. It turns open. The moment it turns open, highlight this morph. The moment you highlight this morph, move to this point here and click on get operator. Get operator element. Once you click get on operator element, the next thing you do is highlight the wall surface and then click on get target element. What we want to do, we have about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 instructions here. First is subtraction, second subtraction with upward extrusion, third subtraction with downward extrusion, fourth intersection addition. What I simply want to do is subtraction because I want to create an opening. Once it does an opening, you leave it in subtraction. Now when you click on subtraction, click execute. The moment you click execute, the operation has simply created an opening there. Then deselect the wall. Deselect the wall. At first it will look like there is no opening there, as you can see. It seems like there is no opening. You see? You are still seeing the morph. You can still see the morph. What do? At this juncture, highlight the morph. The moment you highlight the morph, change the layer. By changing the layer, go to that layer you call Gene. Remember that Gene layer is hidden. So click on it. The moment you click on it, you can now see your opening. This is one way of creating your custom opening in Archicad drawing. I hope you enjoy this. Join me in our next section to see the other method of creating an opening. Thank you.